I'm staying in Hotel Palm Grove Beach Resort. It's a truly splendid with the nature, and also you have this resort had been created in between the nature. Have different cottages along with their different types of uh, botanical plants. Yes, I am here in botanical plants. You can see behind me the different types of trees. uh, it's all are the botanical plant where you can rejuvenate your body here, and yes, definitely you will get one of the fresh air with some fresh mornings. And what is the best this resort having is their own cottages along with the river crafts sideway. So I'm just going to give you a little bit of idea about the river crafts way. Here you will get this along with your according to your cottages. Here is the river craft way. Your stay is absolutely would be stunning here. The staffs are very helpful and they are really courteous, and I'm really enjoying my stay here. I enjoyed the local traditional thali food of the Andman Nicobar. I never had such kind of experience anywhere, and they served me on the banana leaf yesterday on the lunch. And these all cottages are made of wooden and the bamboo suits, so it's make a very unique experience to you while you're staying in such kind of cottages. And yes, it's a very connected to the nature with the palm trees. Yeah, the upstairs is palm trees and some bamboo suits. Yep, that's a really amazing resort to stay in Andman Nicobar near Port Blair. So whenever you'll get chance, book Palm Grove Beach Resorts for your rejuvenate to the body. Thank you.